So as a customer, you want to buy iPhone X, fully come battery, 100% battery health. Some might even go as far as looking for a brand new phone that was produced 7 years ago. Come, let me tell you something.
Let's have it.
So you see phones released 4 to 5 years ago, most especially iPhones, has high chance that the battery has been replaced before, and this is quite normal.
Okay.
So you see everything grows old, and that includes your phone batteries. Just like cars, when you get a used car, the battery eventually gets old and weak, and then you have to change it. The same thing applies to your phones, most especially iPhones. The more you use your phone, the older the battery gets.
Yeah, you for talk about sales now.
So talking about iPhone battery health, an iPhone battery health indicates the estimate amount of time your iPhone has gone through a charge cycle. According to Apple, an iPhone that has gone through 500 charge cycles should still retain about 80% of its original capacity. So roughly every 25 to 35 charge cycles, your iPhone battery health reduces by 1%. And that's not a proven fact, it's just an estimate. Other factors are involved. And a charge cycle doesn't necessarily mean when you charge your phone from 0 to 100. So what is a charge cycle? A charge cycle is basically when you charge your phone from 0 to full, and then you still is empty, and then charge up back to full.
You get it?
What am I trying to say? You charge your phone from 0 to 100, use an enter 0, charge it from 0 to 100 again. You get?
Okay.
So let's say you use 75% of your battery capacity in a single day, and you charge fully throughout the night, and you use another 25% the next day. You've discharged a total of 100% battery capacity, and the 2 days will count as one charge cycle. So a used phone that was released many years ago and has gone through few hands, you can already imagine how many charge cycles that's been through. So changing that battery is not necessarily a bad thing. Just like you getting a used car, you eventually end up changing the tire, the oil, and the battery if it's not giving you what you want. Likewise, your phone. These batteries are OEM batteries. This stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, and these batteries are produced by the same company that manufactured the device they are intended for. So we deal with suppliers that get these batteries, which have an identical rating and capacity as the original battery from the manufacturer that Apple deals with. So because these batteries are not serialized by Apple themselves, the device recognizes and registers these batteries as an unknown part in the service history. Changing the battery does not affect the performance and usability, as they are well tested. So we conducted a simple battery test on 2 iPhone X's with different battery health levels, one at 99% and the other at 83% battery health. After a 10 minutes test, the results showed a surprising similarity, with only 1% difference in charge levels. The iPhone X with 99% battery health lost 16 charge, dropping to 84%, while the iPhone X with 83% battery health lost 70% charge, also ending with 83% battery level. So don't stress if your used iPhone battery health isn't at 100%. Focus on how well the battery performs and lasts, and you're good to go. So here are some tips to maximizing your battery health and your battery lifespan. 1. Avoid the extreme temperature. It is important to avoid exposing your devices to extreme temperature. Likewise, charging your phone and using it at the same time can also amp up the temperature. What am I trying to say? As the temperature increases, the activity of the active electrolyte in your lithium-ion battery decreases, and the discharge capacity first increases and then decreases. Using your phone without charging the phone warms the phone up. Charging the phone alone, the phone warms up. Now carrying the two and joining it together. But people will still go as far as playing game, charging the phone, still come wear a case. You want chill and So really, it's bad for you, it's bad for the phone, it's bad for the battery. 2. Minimize deep discharge. So it is best to keep your phone battery between 20 and 80%. This helps extend the battery life. 3. Use optimized charging. So this feature is designed to extend your battery life by reducing the rate of charge your device takes when your device is not in use. 4. Turn off unnecessary features, e.g. live location service, background app refresh, and some apps that you don't use. Even like, turn off your email, they send you job request, you don't see how. My dear Precious and Emeka, what's more important than the battery health percentage is how well the battery performs. So more tips on how to maximize your battery health performance will be on the caption. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you learned something new today. My name is Samuel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.